Welcome to this channel. This is Sara from Learn Urdu with Sara. On this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language and I mostly teach online on these websites. Today, I will teach you something new because in the past few weeks, I've been teaching past tense, been teaching context based vocabulary. Today, I'll teach you adverbs, specifically adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency usually denote how often you do something, how many times you do an activity. I will use present simple tense, but I'll also try to use different tenses like past tense or future tense, something like that. If you want to learn tenses, you can go to the playlist here and click on tenses, and you will see I created so many videos. But if you feel confused about something, you can also do a direct lesson, a personalized lesson with me. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one is always. Always is hamesha. You can put it after the pronoun or you can put it before the pronoun as well. I know in English you put it before the verb. In Urdu, you can also put it before the verb, after the pronoun, or before the pronoun. Here, our subject is Catherine, right? So let's use it in a sentence. Catherine हमेशा जल्दी पहुंचती है. Catherine हमेशा जल्दी पहुंचती है. पहुंचना is to reach. So I'll teach you different verbs as well. पहुंचना is to reach, or it also means to arrive. So Catherine हमेशा जल्दी पहुंचती है. You can also say हमेशा Catherine जल्दी पहुंचती है. The next one is often. Often is अक्सर. अक्सर is more frequent. मैं अक्सर उससे मिलने जाता हूँ. मैं अक्सर उससे मिलने जाता हूँ. So here a man is speaking. मैं is I, अक्सर often, उससे with him or with her. When you use the verb मिलना, you use say with the person you are meeting. So मैं उससे मिलने जाता हूँ. I go meet her often. Or him. The next one is कभी कभार, which means occasionally. कभी कभार. कभी कभार मैं पियानो बजाता हूँ. So here the verb is बजाना. कभी कभार मैं पियानो बजाता हूँ. I play piano occasionally. You can also put it after the subject. मैं कभी कभार piano बजाता हूँ. The next one is Shazo Nadir. So I doubt a lot of Pakistani people even use it because it's a very I feel like it's an advanced word. I've only heard my nani using it, my grandma, and my family is from Lucknow, so they use very, very literal Urdu and very beautiful Urdu. So my nani usually use this word, but nowadays I think people use a lot of English words, so they include the word really in the Urdu sentence. वो शाज़ो नादिर सिगरेट पीता है. वो शाज़ो नादिर सिगरेट पीता है. He smokes rarely. सिगरेट पीना is to smoke. वो शाज़ो नादिर सिगरेट पीता है. मुश्किल से means hardly, infrequently. मुश्किल से महीने में एक बार सिगरेट पीती है. वो मुश्किल से महीने में एक बार सिगरेट पीती है. She hardly smokes once in a month. वो मुश्किल से means hardly. It also means with difficulty, but here it means hardly. वो मुश्किल से महीने में एक बार. महीने में एक बार means once a month. एक बार means once. In a month is महीने में. सिगरेट पीती है. Here the subject is female, so we are using the ती suffix. The next one is sometimes, which is कभी कभी. कभी कभी मैं अकेले घूमती हूँ. The verb is घूमना, which means to stroll, to wander, or to travel. कभी कभी मैं अकेले घूमती हूँ. I stroll alone or I go somewhere, travel alone. कभी कभी मैं अकेले घूमती हूँ और I wander alone. ये सच है क्योंकि वाकई में मैं अकेले कभी कभी घूमती हूँ. The next one is कभी नहीं, never. कभी नहीं. I'm trying to teach you new verbs. That's why I'm gonna use a new verb which is baat manna, to get persuaded. Baat manna, or to agree. He gives in or she gives in to your request. That is baat manna. It is also to agree. वो कभी नहीं बात मानता है. और let's say तुम कभी नहीं बात मानते हो. तुम कभी नहीं बात मानते हो. तुम means you, and ho is the verb that goes with tum. This is the foundation of all the Urdu and Hindi sentences. So tum is always going to end with ho. तुम कभी नहीं बात मानते हो. The next one is abhi. Abhi means right now. मैं अभी कॉल कर रही हूँ. मैं अभी कॉल कर रही हूँ. I'm calling right now. मैं अभी कॉल कर रही हूँ. Here we are using the present continuous tense. So rahi is the suffix. Okay. अब तक means still. अब तक. उसने अब तक बिल नहीं भरा. भरना is to fill or to do the bills. उसने अब तक बिल नहीं भरा. उसने अब तक बिल नहीं भरा. So this is the past tense. Bill here is masculine, that's why it's भरा. उसने अब तक बिल नहीं भरा. बार बार. बार बार means again and again. बार बार. वो कुत्ता बार बार भौंकता है. वो कुत्ता बार बार भौंकता है. He barks again and again. भौंकना is to bark. वो कुत्ता बार बार भौंकता है. मैं बार बार ये पज़ल करती हूँ. मैं बार बार ये पज़ल करती हूँ. मैं पज़ल हल करती हूँ. हल करना is to solve the puzzle. मैं बार बार पज़ल हल करती हूँ. हल करना is to solve something. मैं बार बार ये पज़ल हल करती हूँ. The next one is रोज़. Rose means every day. Now I'm going to use an imperative sentence, imperative construction. ये दवाई हर रोज़ लो. ये दवाई हर रोज़ लो. Take this medicine every day. ये दवाई हर रोज़ लो. दवाई is medicine. Tell me, what is something that you do every single day? आप लोग हर दिन क्या करते हैं? कोई एक चीज़ जो हर दिन करते हों और हर रोज़ करते हों. मिसाल के तौर पे मैं हर रोज़ क्लासेस लेती हूँ और मैं हर रोज़ पैदल चलती हूँ. The next and the last one is देर से, which is late. Late can be used as an adverb because it defines the activity. It defines how the action is done. माइकल ने कल रात देर से कॉल की. माइकल ने कल रात देर से कॉल की. देर से means late. Call is feminine, therefore it's की. It's the past simple tense. माइकल ने कल रात देर से कॉल की. I hope that you have learned from this video. Make sentences below with these adverbs of frequency. And if you want a detailed and compiled PDF file, you can subscribe to become a patron. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.